Hello. Oh, tell you what, there's a bit of a wind on, isn't there today, Richie?
A bit windy.
A little bit windy.
We'll be alright though.
We'll be fine. We are at Muddy Mostyn. Muddy Mostyn. After an eel, Ray, whatever.
I'm after a Ray.
He's after a Ray.
He's
after a Ray.
Gotta beat Des.
He's got to beat Des, yeah. So yeah, we're at Muddy Mostyn. I'm after the eels. Richie's after the Rays. Bring it on. We'll see you when we're out there. Hey!
Here I am at Muddy Mostyn on my own because Mike is over there somewhere because he's gone and left his phone in the car, so he's had to go all the way back to get his phone, and I'm just in the process of setting up. I'm using one rod at the moment, going to see how we get on with the one rod, and then if things go well I'll go to a second rod which I've got down there, but I'm just going to set up and I'll come back to you in a sec and let you know what baits I've got on and what gear I'm using. So I'll see you in a minute. Hopefully Mike will be back by then, guys.
Well, rather stupidly, did the walk right the way around to the rocks and then realised I didn't have my phone. So, come back to the car to get my phone. First reason and the main reason is it's a dangerous mark, this. So if one of you goes in and the one that goes in is the one that has the phone, you're buggered. Well and truly buggered, because you can't ring the Coast Guard. The other reason is you can't watch me because I can't film. Right, I'll see you when I get back round there. Happy days.
Mike is back and he's setting his gear up. I'm on my second cast. I've got a bit over to the right this time. Nothing happening yet. I had a carb on the end of that one, like, but not worth showing you, like. There we go. Mike's just had a massive knock. Let's get a bit closer. Film the action. Yes, Mike. Yes, Mike. Yes, look at that smile.
Right in the mouth. Yes, mate! What we came for? Oh, what I came for anyway.
Let's get a photo.
Oh.
Well done, mate. He's in again.
Bigger.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's your line on your other rod, mate? You just on your tips on it? Careful. Can't beat that fish. It's fatter, it's got a bit more curve to it. Well, Mike is definitely in those fish. He's found the eels. I've had nothing yet. I had a little bite earlier on, but it turned out to be a crab. But Mike is nailing it there. Well done to him. That's the second eel so far. Might have to go make it swim.
There we go. 2 reels from 2 casts, not too bad. Hopefully the first 2 of many. It's actually turned out to be quite a nice day considering the last couple of days with absolute gale force winds and peddling rain. Yeah, not too bad. Hopefully Richie catches soon because I'm making this the blinding session. If you've never been to Mostyn before, it's kind of like the mark that's. You've got to be a dedicated fisherman really to fish here. It's one of those. You in? Yeah. He's in. Ooh, stop. Richie was in and now it's snagged. Oh no.
Feel it on there.
Oh, it's snagged. Feel it on there, but it's snagged. Oh no, mate. Yeah, as I was saying, it's not. This isn't the mark for a just. If you're a casual fisherman, this is not your mark. Clambering over rocks and over mud and the likes. I might be getting a nibble here. Don't fall in, whatever you do. Yeah. Oh no.
Hook's gone.
Hook's gone. Sorry, mate. No, it's not. It's still there. Oh.
There was definitely something on that.
Yeah, I saw it. The rod went. Yeah, so excited, mate. At least you got your rig back. That's the main thing. You know. Feel the fish. Get yourself out there again, Rich.
Bugger. It's close then. Something was on there, but it stuck itself into a rock, into a little crevice or something, got me stuck. But I've got out again.
He's in. He's in. He's in. Seems like it's a big fella. Thank you, mate. Hit it up. He's in. Happy days, eh? Yep. There he is. Oh, aye, he's a decent eeling, mate. Hey! Hey! Of course, mate, of course. Is that your first fish at Mostyn?
Yeah.
You're a pain in the neck for getting...
Took it right down as well.
There we go. Oh. There you go, happy days, eh? That's a decent fish, that, mate. Yeah, that's a good fish, that.
Well, believe it or not, guys, that was my first ever fish at Mostyn. I've done Mostyn a few times and never caught. But I just caught my first fish, which was a nice eel. Put up a good fight. Great, on to the next one. Woo! Mike's been in again. This time it's a little ray. Yes. Lovely, mate, well done. Get him. 7, 8 pounds. It's gone very quiet at the moment. Mike's over there. Just contemplating what's going on. But been no action since the last fish. No bites, nothing. The wind is picking up a bit, but it's gusty. So yeah, maybe we'll just see how it goes. But it is, you know, the wind is calming down. Well, in spaces. But there's been no bites, so I'm going to get some fresh baits on, and then I'm going to go again and see if we can get another fish. He's done it again. Eel number 3 for Mike, by the looks of it. We can get it up. Yeah. So
Didn't even know I had that on.
your line off, that's it. Beep. Say that again.
Didn't even know that was on.
Just sat there.
Just sat there.
Lovely.
Just sat there.
Well, that's 4 fish for you now, isn't it?
4 fish, yeah. I think that's the best deal I've had.
It's lovely, mate, yeah.
Bigger that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Slightly.
Slightly, maybe, yeah.
Girth on it.
Yeah, the game's bigger, yeah, definitely. So, well done, Mike.
It always matters that, you know. Bigger girth.
Mike is slaying it today. He's done good today, Mike. So what's that so far? 3 eels and a ray for him. I think he's in a snag down there, so he's gone a bit quiet. But yeah, hasn't been too bad. A bit windy still. The wind, I thought the wind would have died off. It said it was going to, but it hasn't. It's coming in gusts. Still the one for me. I am trying. I probably will get another one, fingers crossed, before the session's out. I'd like to see another one anyway. But yeah, so that's it so far. Plucking away, we've got a last hour. The tide is at 5 o'clock, I think. So it's 5 o'clock now. So we've probably got another hour here before it starts. We just went whole bottom, so we're just going to give the next hour a go. Hopefully I get something in a minute. If I do, I'll hit you back up. I'll turn the camera back on and, well, Mike will film it. See you in a bit, guys. Mike's right hand rod there just had a small kind of, well not small, but a pull down. It looked like a ray bite, didn't it? So he's just letting it sit for a bit. Yeah, there you go. Eel.
Oh, it's come off.
Oh.
Come on.
That didn't half look like a ray bite, didn't it?
Didn't it?
Well, that's unfortunate, mate.
Well,
You can rub and salt in the wound there, mate.
3, 4, what are you about? I bet 3 or 4.
3 and a ray. Oh well. We go again.